Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to get tick charts on TradingView. First, open your super chart. At the top, click on the time interval selector. That's where you usually choose between 1 minute, 5 minute, or daily charts. Once the menu opens, look for the option labeled ticks. From here, you can choose between 1 tick, 10 ticks, 100 ticks, or 1,000 ticks, depending on how detailed you want your chart to be. Simply click on the tick interval you want to use. Now, it's important to note that tick charts are only available with TradingView's paid plans. If you're using the free version, you'll need to upgrade to access them. TradingView does offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test out the tick charts and other premium features before committing to a plan. Once you've upgraded or started the trial, your tick charts will load right away, giving you real-time precision for every price movement. And that's it! You've now learned how to access tick charts on TradingView. I hope this helped. If it did, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.